everyone, it's Zach Gordon, your personal and business funding consultant. I'm here to help you scale your real estate investing business with smart funding strategies. Today, we're going to be diving into a crucial topic for your subject to investors: how to handle those hefty closing costs and down payments that often make or break a deal. Sub 2 deals are an incredible strategy for building wealth and growing your portfolio. But let's be honest, they come with their own set of challenges, whether it's unexpected closing costs or down payments that stretch your cash flow too thin. These hurdles can feel very overwhelming. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know how to use 0% interest funding to cover these costs, unlock more deals, and keep your business running smoothly. So let's go ahead and get started. First, let's talk about why sub 2 deals are such a game changer. Sub 2 or subject to involves taking over an existing mortgage while leaving the loan in the seller's name. You're essentially stepping into their shoes, which allows you to avoid new financing, no need for new mortgage. You can work with existing loan terms, leverage low interest rates. Many of these loans have lower interest rates than today's market. Creative deal structuring. You can negotiate terms that work in your favor, such as reduced upfront costs or deferred payments. But here's the catch: closing costs and down payments can add up quickly. And if you're not prepared, you can miss out on incredible deals. Now let's break down what you're likely to encounter. Closing costs. Well, these typically range from 2% to 5% of the deal's purchase price. That includes title fees, transfer taxes, escrow fees, and more. Next, down payments. Depending on the deal, the seller might request upfront cash. This could range from $5,000 to $20,000 or more. Next, coordination fees. These cover the work of managing paperwork, timelines, and communication. TC fees can range from a few $100s to $2,000. If you're working on multiple deals, these costs can add up very quickly and strain your cash flow. But where business funding comes into play, right here. Business funding you can get 50,000 to 250,000 and even 500,000 if done properly of capital at 0% interest for 12 to 18 months. This gives you the flexibility to cover upfront costs without draining your savings or relying on high interest loans. But here's why this approach is a game changer. You can close more deals with this funding available. You can confidently take on more sub 2 opportunities, knowing that you have the resources to handle the upfront costs. Next, you can be able to use this 0% interest period to manage your payments while growing your portfolio. You're going to protect your cash flow. Next, you can increase your negotiation power. Sellers are more likely to accept your terms if you can show you're ready to close quickly without delays. For example, let's say you're working on a $250,000 deal with $15,000 in combined closing costs and down payments. With business funding, you can cover these costs immediately, secure the property, and start generating cash flow through rental income or appreciation. Here's a real world scenario. One of our clients was looking at a sub 2 deal with $10,000 down payment and $7,000 in closing costs. They didn't have $17,000 in liquid cash, but they had access to $50,000 in 0% interest business funding. They used the funding to cover the upfront costs, close the deal, and turn the property into a cash flowing rental within 30 days. Over the next 12 months, they generated $1,500 per month in rental income, totaling $18,000. That's more than enough to pay back the funding and pocket a profit. This is the power of leveraging capital strategically. It's not just about spending money, it's about using it to create more money. If you're ready to use business funding for your sub 2 deals, here's what you need to do. You're going to want to check your personal credit. Good credit is essential for approval. If your credit needs improvement, I can help you with that. Don't hesitate to reach out. Next, you want to get your business set up properly. Lenders prefer to work with legitimate businesses, so you have to have it structured correctly. Work with an expert. I can guide you through the process of securing funding so you can focus on the stuff that matters: finding and closing deals. Don't let closing costs or down payments stop you from achieving your real estate goals. And with the right funding, you can overcome all these hurdles and more and build a profitable portfolio. Sub 2 deals are a powerful way to grow your real estate business, but they come with challenges that can feel overwhelming at times. The good news, you don't have to face this alone. With access to business funding, you can handle any deal with confidence. If you're ready to take your sub 2 business to the next level, go ahead and DM me on Instagram, the word fun, for a consultation, or you can click the link in the description for direct access to get started. Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe if you found value. Hit that notification bell. You're not going to want to miss more tips on scaling your real estate business or any business funding tips that I have on the channel. And once again, I'll see you on the next video.